Today's something special. I used to meal prep a few years ago. It was called MoFitMeals, and I would distribute menus on a weekly basis. I'd get orders, and they'd get back to me, and I'd just get cooking. Well, my most popular dish was Tex Mex chicken and rice egg white stir fry. And guess what I'm gonna do? I'm bringing it back to you today.
So let's make our own Tex Mex seasoning. All you need is some sea salt, some garlic powder, some paprika, some oregano, some chili pepper, and some ground cumin, and a cute little jar to put it in. Here we go. Now we stir fry. Ingredients are cooked chicken, cooked rice, diced green chilies, salsa from a jar, Tex Mex season, and liquid egg whites. Here we go. And here it is, my Tex Mex chicken and rice egg white stir fry. It smells delicious. You guys gotta try this. It's really amazing and so easy. You have all the ingredients at home. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe and also click the little notification button so that you get alerts for my next video. Take care. Have a good day. Remember, stay MoFit.